Hi friends, this video shows how to replace laptop rechargeable battery WDX0R 11.4 volt 42 watts hour. First, let me open the back cover of the laptop. We have to remove all these screws. Then we can take this cover off, and here you can see the battery. We have to remove these 4 screws, then remove this cable. That way we can take this battery outside. So let me take it outside. Then let me remove this cable. Done. See, this is a battery. Let me compare that battery with the new battery. We can see some bulging or swelling on this battery which has been damaged. So let me place the new battery. So first we need to connect this cable. Then we can place this new battery here. Then we can screw. Okay, done. After that we can close the cover, then screw it. Done. So this way we can easily replace this battery. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.